In Danish, the A can sound quite different depending on the word it is in. If you take the words ananas or alphabet, it is more an A sound. But if you take a word as andre, it sounds more like a. It's more from the back of your mouth. A, ananas, andre. A can also sound different in a word that is spelled the same and looks exactly the same. An example could be tal, numbers, tell, and tail, speak, to speak. It's spelled T-A-L, both of them, but it's different if you say tal, short, tal, or tail, tail. So while A might seem okay simple, it actually is also quite complicated. But learning the different sounds of A is a key to learning the Danish language. So good luck learning that.